The basic thing is you are here to live. It means every aspects of your life should be fulfilled. There should not be any aspects, any things left before you end your life, because you have only one life. Goal or purpose is always in the future, but life is in this very moment. You should live this life. You should fulfill all the aspects of your life with very joyful nature. The whole existence is not moving towards anything. It is just here, and you are here to feel the existence. It is a wonderful thing that you have a piece of life. You have a certain kind of physical presence through which you can feel the whole existence. You can feel the whole universe. The thing why people talk about purpose or goals, because certainly it gives you a certain kind of safety. It works like a self-built protection which gives you a certain type of safety, but at the same time it encages you. You are encaged, and human nature is they always want to be free. They never want to be encaged in a limited area. You need to understand there is a basic difference between necessity and purpose. Someone said that the purpose of my life is to fight for my country. If it is necessary to fight, you will always fight. You should fight, fully consciously knowing that it is a bloody nonsense fight which should be stopped, is not it? Only then you will fight to the extent which is necessary. Otherwise, you will destroy everything. When you are born, you have nothing in your mind. If you look carefully, you will find that after a certain age, you started learning to talk. You started learning the languages. Then the people around you started talking you, started asking you that what you want to be in your life. What do you want to do in your life? What is the goal of your life? What is the purpose of your life? And the game started. And in the back end of your mind, some emotional things, some psychological things started, and you started to think that the goal or purpose of my life is to achieve that. First, you need to understand that life is important. The other things you gathered from here is just arrangements you made for your physical comforts, for your mental comforts. These are not life. This may not be the purpose of your life. This may not be the goal of your life. Your life is just as it is. When normal people talk about life, they talk about their home, works, their family. If you look carefully, then you will find that these all are the ambience of life. These are not life. The greatest thing about life is there is no meaning to it, and there is no need to have a meaning. The purpose of your life should be to live, and to live with full involvement with life. The goal is always in the future. The goal is always in far away. Trying to achieve it, you will miss it. And it is good that the existence is not moving towards any targets, because at the end of the day, we are human beings. Sooner or later, if there was any target, we will achieve it. Then what?